Hey everyone, we're delving into an in-depth review of the Umidigi Bison X20 today, a mid-range smartphone made for those of you who work in demanding conditions and lead active lifestyles. This smartphone is made to last, whether you're someone who is often on the go, works in environments where your phone could get damaged, or just needs a durable gadget. It is resilient enough to bear knocks and yet function and produce at a respectable level. Because of its sturdy construction, the Umidigi Bison X20 is an excellent choice for outdoor use, particularly in areas with a lot of dust and dirt. The body of the smartphone is composed of rubber, plastic, and metal, which offers superior shock resistance. In contrast to other tough smartphones, which are typically large and masculine-looking, the Bison X20 features a unisex appearance with a sleek business-like appearance, despite its sturdy construction. The gadget is guaranteed to withstand dust, moisture, and even high-pressure water, thanks to its IP68 and IP69K classifications. It can stay submerged for up to half an hour at a maximum depth of 1.5 meters. The smartphone's subtle yet durable appearance is enhanced by the fact that it is only available in black. The Bison X20 sports a micro SD card slot that can be expanded up to 1 TB and accepts 2 nano SIM cards. Conveniently placed on the side button, the fingerprint scanner may be easily unlocked with the support of face recognition. On the right side are the lock and volume buttons, as well as an orange button that allows you to quickly activate the dual shooting mode. Another programmable orange button on the left can be used to start programs or perform standard operations like turning on the flashlight. The charging port is located at the bottom, and the headphone jack is at the top. It's interesting that these ports are left open, which deviates from the typical robust smartphone appearance. The Bison X20 weighs 278 grams, which is a little bit more than average, but its robust appearance makes up for it. The smartphone feels light in the hand even though it weighs a lot, and it works remarkably well for both urban and outdoor activities. The 6.53-inch IPS display on the Umidigi Bison X20 has a resolution of 1600 by 720 pixels. Sharp, crisp, and bright images are displayed on the screen despite the average pixel density of 269 ppi. Although the refresh rate is normal at 60 Hz, it is bright enough for outdoor use and adequate for light gaming and daily work. The Helio P60 CPU. For daily use, the Umidigi G72 graphics chip guarantees respectable performance. The gadget has 128 gigs of internal storage that can be expanded with a microSD card, and 6 gigs of RAM out of the box. Wi-Fi 800 2.11, Bluetooth 4.2, NFC for contactless payments, GPS with compatibility for AGPS, Beidou, Galileo, and GLONASS, and NFC are among the connectivity choices. The smartphone does not support 5G, only 4G. The camera configuration of the Bison X20 is made to function dependably under a variety of circumstances. Like many smartphones in this category, it performs quite well in low light conditions, resulting in shots with significant noise. In the daytime, it takes decent photos with good color reproduction. Although there are some little edge detection problems, the portrait mode functions effectively. With an f2.2 aperture and an 8-megapixel sensor, the front camera can take respectable selfies, though low light conditions may cause details to be lost. Both the front and main cameras record enough video for basic requirements, and the stabilization works well enough for handheld photography. The 6000 mAh battery of the Umidigi Bison X20 is one of its best qualities. It guarantees prolonged use even with frequent intensive use. The smartphone's effective hardware complements this, yet it should be noted that fast charging is not supported. While the provided 10-watt power adapter does the job, be aware that charging periods may be longer than with higher-end versions. Anyone looking for a cost-effective, durable smartphone that can survive challenging circumstances may choose the Umidigi Bison X20. Its sturdy construction, extended battery life, and adequate performance for daily duties make it a dependable partner for both work and play. The Bison X20 lives up to expectations, whether you're searching for a backup smartphone or your primary smartphone. Please hit the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you found this review helpful. Please feel free to comment below with your opinions about the Umidigi Bison X20. Have a nice day and God bless you.